motivation is one of the most important factors to success.
Was my key to success.
And so motivation is what got me where I'm at today.
Motivation is the path to success.
Motivation is important, and when I think of motivation, I think of
motivation is what keeps me
Motivation is what makes me get up in the morning.
Motivation is encouragement to keep going forward in your goals in life and whatever it is you desire.
Hello everyone. Have you ever had that feeling that you have students who tend to give up easily when they encounter a new challenging task, whereas those students who are always eager to learn and want to enhance their knowledge on a particular subject? Well, this is due to the fact that we have two different types of mindsets among our students and people in general. It would be fixed and growth mindsets. So right now I'm going to give you an example of a student who has a fixed mindset.
In a fixed mindset, people believe their basic qualities like their intelligence or talents are simply fixed traits. They spend their time documenting their intelligence or talents instead of developing them. They also believe that talent alone creates success without effort. But they're wrong. In this example, you can see a student who encounters a challenging task. She's not good at analyzing literature. Therefore, yes, at the beginning she attempts to get the assignment done and utilizes the resources that are available to her. However, she gives up and finds a distraction, in this case, the YouTube video.
So now that we have taken a look at how students with a fixed mindset act when they encounter new challenges, now we have to get an idea of how students with a growth mindset react upon new challenges. Okay, so now let's look at a student who has a growth mindset.
A growth mindset, on the other hand, attributes success to learning. Therefore, the individual is not terrified of failure because it only signals the need to pay attention, invest effort, apply time to practice, and master the new learning opportunity. They are confident that after such effort, they will be able to learn the skill or knowledge. In this example, you can see a student who is having a difficult time with an assignment. Nonetheless, she does not give up. She utilizes the resources available to her to do research and to have better understanding of the content.
Hello everyone, let me introduce you a new concept, motivation. There are two types of motivation. We have autonomous and controlled. Let's go and see how the autonomous motivation looks like.
Oh my God. Yeah, I know. Sinaí, Carla, do you know what? I just found out they're doing a competition and whoever does the most sit-ups, they're going to give $100. Can you imagine $500 for doing the sit-ups? For doing something I really love to do?
Autonomous motivation deals with motivation driven by internal rewards such as the sense of self-fulfillment and types of motivation caused by an outside source to earn a reward or avoid a punishment. By Connie being self-motivated and taking little into account the reward, she is exemplifying autonomous motivation. She is driven completely by her satisfaction of exercising, and the money is an extra. But what about Carla and Sinaí?
Love to do. I really want you guys to go with me and get those $500. What do you think? Yeah, come on. Let's just practice. Yeah. Come on. Let's start doing some sit-ups, and by the end of the month, we're gonna be able to win that competition. Okay?
Okay, sure.
So 1, 2, 3.
Like to?
I don't think this is my thing. Good luck with that.
Come on.
Hope you later.
Oh, girls.
Now that we have seen how the autonomous motivation looks like, let's go and see how the control motivation looks like.
Yeah, I don't know what to do because it's super hard.
Oh, it's gonna be fine.
You think so?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But I've thought about it a lot, but
Hey, that's me. I got something to talk to you in private. Can you come with me?
sure, boss.
Controlled motivation is when a person is motivated by a future event that might happen. It could be a reward or a punishment. It also inspires an individual to enact a behavior not because he or she wants to, but because he or she fears not to, out of a sense of obligation.
Right, so the job opportunity that I was talking to you about is a conference that's going to be in Washington, D.C. However, it's going to be for around close to a month. So I want you to think about it for now. You don't have to respond to me. But, it's going to be a good job opportunity. You're going to be, you're going to have an increase in wages. And it's going to, it's going to be helpful for you. And I consider you, so, just let me know. And I'll be expecting your call. Sounds good?
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Here, Mesley shows this type of motivation, since she does not tell her boss no about attending the conference because she feels obligated to say yes since she was selected out of so many employees. She does not tell him no to avoid confrontation and instead juggles with the issue in her mind. However, at the same time, she thinks about the rewards that are in store for her, which are an increase in pay, living in Washington, D.C., and lots of experience.
A month in Washington, D.C. I don't want to do it. I'm not a good public speaker, and it's a conference, very important conference in Washington, D.C. Oh, no. I mean, the increase in my salary is good. I mean, I need it right now. But I don't want to do it. I'm not a good public speaker. But he has so high expectations for me that I feel like I have to do it because he's asking me for it, and he's giving me that reward. Like the salary, and going to Washington D.C. for a conference is gonna be good for my resume as well, and it's gonna be a good experience. But no, I'm not ready. I don't want to do it.